Hello children, in this video we are going to study EVS chapter 18, Too Much Water, Too Little Water. Now children, here on page number 150 we were there on write in your notebook. First question is, why was Razia worried when she read the newspaper? And answer is children, Razia was worried when she read the newspaper because it said that the gutter water had got mixed with the water in drinking water pipes, thus making the water unclean. Now, children, second question is Razia asked that all the water that was filled in the previous day should be thrown. Could this water have been used for something else? What kind of things? Yes, this water could have been used for cleaning purposes and for also watering the plants. Now, children, we should never waste water because if the water is not fit for drinking, it might be used for some other purposes like watering the plants. Now, children, the third part is, in what way did she plan to clean the water? She planned to clean the water by boiling it. Now, the next, do you know a different way to clean the water? Describe them. Yes, I know some ways to clean the water. Water can be cleaned first by boiling, second by putting chlorine tablets, or also we can clean the water by putting alum to it. Now, children, the fifth part is, suppose Razia had not read the news and everyone had drunk the water without boiling it. What could have happened? If everyone would have drunk the water without boiling it, then they might have suffered from diseases like vomiting and diarrhea. Now, children, discuss. Where Deepak lives, everyone has to stand in a queue to fill water from the common public tap. And in Razia's house, water comes all day in the tap. Why is this? Children, this is because Deepak lives in a slum area where people are devoid of the basic facilities like water because they are not capable of paying the charges. Whereas Razia's apartment is in Cafe Parade, Mumbai, where her houses get all the basic facilities like water connection with charges. Now, children, the next part is Razia read news about the water in the newspaper. Have you read any news about water in the newspaper? What kind of news you have read? Now, children, yes, I have read many news about what the water in the newspaper, like the shortage of water, unavailability of water in some areas, circulation of unhealthy water, and so on. Now, children, you have to do and discuss. Look through the newspaper of the last 1 month. Look for all news items related to water. You have to look for all news items that are related to water. You have to cut them out, stick all the cuttings together on a big paper to make a big collage. Talk about what you have collected, discuss in the class. So what you have to make, children, you have to cut the cuttings of the news items related to water from the newspaper. You have to stick them all, stick all the cuttings together on a big paper, and you have to make a big collage and then talk about what you have collected and discuss in the class. Now, here, have you ever suffered from diarrhea and vomiting? How did you feel when we have diarrhea and vomiting? We lose a lot of water from our body. This can be dangerous if we do not take care. It is important that we make up for the water that we lose from our body. We should drink a lot of water when this happens. We should also mix some salt and sugar in the water. So, children, to To compensate the water lost from our body, we should drink lot of water when we supposed to happen diarrhea, and we should take the water that has mixed in it salt and sugar. Now children, for diarrhea or vomiting, whenever we have, what we have to do for this, mix 1 teaspoon sugar and a pinch of salt in 1 glass of boiled and cooled water. See children, what we have to do, we have to take 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 pinch of salt in 1 glass of boiled and cooled water. Taste it to make sure that there is not too much salt. The water should not taste more salty than our tears. Children, when a person has diarrhea and vomiting, the water must be sipped slowly by them. Light food must be taken, like steamed idli. They should not take heavy food, and babies should continue to take their mother's milk as this is good for them. It is also necessary to take some medicines. They can also be they can also have homemade remedies if the diarrhea does not stop or it is very severe. It is very important to get the advice of a doctor. So whenever you find that diarrhea is severe, you should immediately consult the doctor. Now children, water survey in school. Now what we have to do in this, make 3 groups of students in your class. One group will find out about the arrangements of drinking water in the school. The second group will find out about the arrangements of toilet in the school. The third group will find out about illness affecting children in the class. And children, the questions given below will help the groups to collect information. Now in group first, what they are going to do, observe and note. Put a right in the right box or boxes. Now where does the water in your school come from? Tap, tank, hand pump or any other source? Now children, they are asking where does the water in your school come from? It comes from tank. Now children, in your school, from where do you take water to drink? Now you have to write here children. You from where do you take water to drink? From the tap. Now if there is no water, matka or hand pump, then how do you get drinking water? We get drinking water from jars or cans, you can call children. In these water, is this water, is there water in all the taps or hand pumps? Yes, there is always water in all the hand taps and hand pumps. Is there any tap which is leaking or dripping? No. Are all the matkas filled with water and are they covered? Yes. Are the matkas and other water containers cleaned regularly? Yes. How is water made safe for drinking? Water is made safe for drinking by passing it through filters before it is used for drinking. Also, chlorine tablets and alums are used to purify the overhead tankers. Now, children, is there a long handled ladle to take water from the matka or container? How many ladders are there per container? Now, children, yes, there are long handled ladle to take water from the matka or container, and there are ladles for each container. Now, children, is the place around the drinking water taps or matkas cleaned regularly? Yes, they are cleaned regularly. Now, children, think and discuss. Why do the drinking water places get dirty? The drinking water places get dirty because water often gets spilled here and there while fetching or taking out water from the containers. These places also get dirty when people do other activities like washing around these places. Now, children, the second part is what can we do to keep these places clean? We can be little more careful while taking out water from the container so that the water does not spill. Also, we can avoid activities like washing around these places. Now, children, the next topic we will see in the next video.